Hi, Lonnie. Lonnie. Hi, baby. Do you hear Aprina? Look! Auntie Linda. Yeah. The Coke Zero and Diet Coke. Oh shoot, they're already up there. Thank you, baby. Can you taste it real quick? Because I have a feeling I mixed it. Hey, Briana! Oh, hold on. Let me record them first. I'll taste it. Yeah. This is Coke Zero. That was fast. Usually they have to wait a pretty long time. Usually they only at Fakali, but they got up there pretty quick. Hey, is it too late to...
No, back it up.
Who's pulling the lever?
Dang, it's high.
Who's gonna pull it?
Keep on going. Don't let go.
Who's gonna pull the rope?
Repent now! Briana.
Oh, Briana is.
Oh boy.
Go!
Pull it, Briana. Oh!